Have you ever felt surrounded by people, yet deeply alone? You're not alone in feeling lonely, but here's the good news. Psychology has uncovered some simple social hacks that can help you feel more connected, starting today. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHealthHacks channel, the place where your health meets smarter habits. Today, we're diving into something we all face but rarely talk about: loneliness. Not just the absence of people, but the absence of meaningful connection. In this video, we share powerful social hacks backed by psychology to help you feel more connected, confident, and emotionally fulfilled. Easy, science-backed tips to build stronger social bonds. How to break the cycle of loneliness with small, daily hangs. Conversation starters that actually work. Ways to boost oxytocin and reduce social anxiety. The psychology of connection and emotional safety. Whether you're introverted, new to a city, or recovering from isolation, these social wellness tips are for you. Based on real psychological research, these hacks are simple, effective, and designed to help you connect authentically. Let's explore 4 powerful psychology-backed hacks that will help you break out of loneliness and start building real connections, even if you're introverted, shy, or socially out of practice. Hack number 1. The Ben Franklin effect. Psychology shows that people actually like you more when they do a favor for you. It sounds backward, but asking someone for help, even something small like borrowing a book or advice, creates a sense of trust and connection. Hack number 2. Mirror their energy. Subtle mirroring like nodding, matching tone, or posture creates a subconscious bond. This is called social mimicry, and it's a proven way to build rapport without saying much at all. Hack number 3. Name the emotion. Loneliness hides when you ignore it. But when you say, "I'm feeling disconnected," out loud or in your journal, you activate self-awareness, which gives you power over it. According to brain studies, naming your emotions lowers stress and increases emotional regulation, which helps you approach others more openly. Hack number 4. Schedule micro-interactions. Don't wait for deep talks. Even short connections like a smile at a barista or a short chat with a neighbor can rewire your brain's social circuits. Over time, these small wins build up your confidence and make deeper connections more natural. So if you're feeling lonely, remember, it's not about becoming super social overnight. It's about small, intentional steps that build emotional bridges, one conversation at a time. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Health Hacks, and share this video with someone who might need a gentle nudge toward connection. New videos every week to help you upgrade your mental, physical, and social wellness. See you in the next one.